Let's talk about M&S, Marks and Spencer versus Aldi in the UK, because y'all tagged me on Twitter. I see you when you tag me on Twitter most of the time. I don't always see all of them, but I saw this. This is fascinating to me, and I am living for it. So let's just talk about it real quick. I'm going to do nothing but make fun of this lawsuit because it's fun and it's silly. Trademark rights are very serious, but also we're talking about cake. Anyone in the chat who has had a Colin or Cuthbert the Caterpillar Cake, please let us know. I want to know if you like the cake. Our UK friends, let us know about the cake. I mean, we've gone from Erica Girardi being like, let them eat cake, to actual caterpillar cakes. Let's talk about the cakes. Cakes. Look, this is Colin the Caterpillar. This is Aldi's Cuthbert the Caterpillar. M&S, who is Colin, says, hey, Cuthbert, fuck you. Stop copying me. And Marks and Spencer has begun legal action against Aldi, arguing that the supermarket's Cuthbert the Caterpillar Cake infringes on its Colin the Caterpillar trademark. Colin has a trademark. M&S claims their similarity leads consumers to believe they are of the same standard. Ooh, the shade. It's like, no, Aldi, your cake sucks. Our cake is better. And because they look exactly the fucking same, people are going to think that the cake in Aldi is the same as the cake from M&S. And M&S has a much higher standard than Aldi. That is what is being said here. So, the shade. I wish I could get one of these cakes. We can't. But if y'all law nerds in the UK, if you get one of these cakes, please tag me on social media. I want to see it. So M&S lodged an intellectual property claim with the High Court this week. M&S wants Aldi to remove the product from sale, and apparently it's already been removed from sale at Aldi in the UK, and agree not to sell anything similar in the future. Hey, Aldi, check if it's an international trademark. If it's not an international trademark, just sell it in the States. We'll go to Aldi and buy the Cuthbert the Caterpillar Cake just in support. And I'll tell you why we're supporting in a minute, because I get it. If I'm M&S, you have the right to have people not rip off your shit. However, Kit Kat lost that argument when Kit Kat sued over somebody else having the four-finger break off Kit Kat. We'll talk about the Kit Kat law. If we want to talk about food lawsuits, we'll do that another day. But the retailer has 3 trademarks relating to Colin, which it believes means Colin has acquired and retains an enhanced distinctive character and reputation. Ooh, Colin bougie. Colin is absolutely bougie. Colin's like, no, I have a distinctive character and a reputation. Cuthbert, you suck. The product was launched 30 years ago. Colin's appearance has been substantially unchanged since 2004, except for particular seasonal events. A spokesperson said, because we know the M&S brand is special. I thought they were going to say superior, but no, because the M&S brand is special to our customers and they expect only the very best from us. Love and care goes into every M&S product on our shelves. Look, in the one trip to London, I spent way too much time and money at M&S. It was fantastic. I love it. I wish we had it here. It's better than Target, not going to lie. So we want to protect Colin, Connie, and our reputation for freshness, quality, innovation, and value. It's 30 years old. Do we call it innovation? What? It just, Pam, I don't know how to do a posh accent. I'm sorry. I'm trying. I don't know. Colin is central to M&S's partnership with a cancer charity. Okay, now they're saying essentially, here's how I'm reading this, shade to Aldi. You're stealing from charity. This is a partnership with the cancer charity Macmillan, and the retailer has created a Colin product for the annual World's Biggest Coffee Morning fundraising event. And if you steal Colin, you're stealing money from charity. That's how I read that. The cake is a sponge with milk chocolate and buttercream topped with chocolate sweets and a smiling white chocolate face. Apparently they sell this face separately so you could just eat Colin's face, which is disturbing and brilliant. M&S was the first retailer to sell a caterpillar cake, but many supermarkets have since created their own products. Other cakes include Waitroses, Cecile, Stansberry's, Wiggles, Tesco's, Curly, and Asadi's, Clyde the Caterpillar. Well, you're not suing any of them. I'll be fascinated to see if any of them get sued, but this does look shockingly similar. So, like all good lawsuits, we have to just go to social media to see what's being said about it, because social media is really where this case is playing out. We don't have the high court documents. I don't have the high court documents. Look, if there are multiple trademarks, it's very likely that M&S can win because these are look at the face. How he might not have a tongue, but y'all, they are so close. They are so close. Look at the little feetsies. They look so similar. And in a trademark, this is going to be an issue because you cannot just rip off someone's trade. But let's look at what M&S said. M&S on Instagram went ahead and said, "You might have seen I'm in the news. I won't be commenting, but please continue to show me your support. It really means a lot. Official Colin the Caterpillar." He has his own account. Colin has his own account. Look, the original and the best. They're not taking any shade at all. They're like, "We are the best. You may have seen the news. I won't be commenting." Colin has taken the tact of, I'm in a lawsuit. Colin is the Toddy Westbrook of this lawsuit. So Colin is the Toddy. Colin's like, I'm not posting on social. But people are asking the reasonable question, why just sue Aldi when there are others? Colin had a bunny adaptation. That looks fucking terrifying to me. And then they sell Colin's face. We're going back to the other. Come on, Instagram. Get it together. We're going back to the other one because M&S had others on their Instagram account. They had other Colin cakes or other caterpillar cakes. Like he had an Easter moment with Easter eggs. This is iconic. I love it. I need a Colin cake. The next time I go to London, I should be there in November. I'm seeking out this freaking cake. It's going to happen. It's going to be long gone, and this lawsuit will probably be over and dead, but I'm still going to go do it. And then there was a female one as well. Look at how adorable she is. What? Move over, Colin. It's Connie's time to shine. Hello, Connie. Look at your pretty flowers. Love it. But here's the thing. Not to be outdone, Aldi had a lot to say about this on Twitter. Aldi's not taking the tack of we won't be commenting. Aldi is taking the tack of we have all the things to say. And I got to be honest, normally I say do not talk about lawsuits unless you're Aldi, because this is fucking amazing. Aldi has had all the things to say about this. This is not just any court case. This is free Cuthbert. And I stand with Cuthbert. This is the beginning of the sassy tweets. Just Colin, our lawyers. Are you kidding me? The shade. And this is from April 16th. These are from today. Look, if you're not following Aldi UK on Twitter, they have taken the mischief managed approach to this lawsuit, and they went in on Twitter. Just call in our lawyers. Let me see if there's another one from earlier. I think that is the earliest one about this lawsuit was earlier today. So this has all gone down today in a brilliant way. BuzzFeed, Netflix UK, working title, Making a Caterpillar. Any other suggestions? They want a documentary. Brewdog says, and they say cats and dogs don't get along. Free Cuthbert. What? Cuthbert the Caterpillar Ale. Free Cuthbert. There is now a Free Cuthbert movement, it seems, which is fantastic. Judge Rinder TV, how's your diary looking? Asking for a friend, Free Cuthbert. So they are now adding a television judge. Asking how and diary, they mean calendar. They just left out the painting nail emoji, asking for a friend. When's the last time we heard asking for a friend in a lawsuit? Oh, wait, we don't need to go there. We don't need to go there. Judge, show us the evidence. Us, what evidence? Free Cuthbert. I'm sorry. I'm dead. The shade, the brilliant, amazing, hilarious shade of it all. I love the memeing of it. Live from inside the courtroom, Free Cuthbert. They have a court drawing of the caterpillar. You guys, look, I think Aldi probably is in the wrong on the trademark suit. They look exactly the fucking same, but they are going to win my heart in the court of public opinion because this is hilarious. The courtroom sketch, come on. Come on. Now, if you're the social media manager at M&S, are you annoyed that they are winning the day on social media and we're not even done yet? This has gone on all day. Packaging update. He has bars. There's bars. There's bars on his back. You guys, he has a jail cell. I want to know if the social media team got approval from in-house counsel because it is so funny. Vanessa, I'm also dying. It's why when I went to Twitter to look at this case, I was like, we have to talk about this because look, it's just funny. And they may lose the trademark case, but at the end of the day, no one's going to be hurt. This is a lawsuit that is just fun and silly, and I'm just here for it because, oh my God, with the packaging update, Aldi UK is the best. This is almost as good as when God, there was another I need to find it. There was another UK Twitter banter that was fantastic. Look at this. Marks and snitches. It's just, and Ice News First says, is it fair for M&S to pick on Aldi when these exist? Free Cuthbert. So apparently there are others. Look, okay, that one looks nothing like Cuthbert. That Clyde looks like a puppy. Curly the Caterpillar also looks not at all like Cuthbert. Cecil and Wiggles are suspect to me. Sorry, Cecil and Wiggles. Y'all suspect. But they don't have the same legs. They don't have the same face. All of these are slightly different. Cuthbert is the one that looks the most like Colin. I'm just going to call it. But this is hilarious. Look, Morris looks nothing fucking like it. Morris looks like a turd with a face. I'm sorry to anyone that likes Morris the best. But no, Morris doesn't look anything like it and doesn't have the legs. Look, kind of has legs. He's got shoes. Maybe they're Nikes. Maybe they're Satan shoes. That would be a fun crossover. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, so the packaging update, marks and snitches. We've got to keep going. They're not done. How do we delete tweets? Hey, Aldi Stores UK, I know someone who was in a lawsuit. It seems that what you do is deactivate your Twitter and then delete the tweets and then reactivate your Twitter. That seems to be the way that this works. Cecil Wiggles, Curly Clyde, we got you. I like that Cuthbert is standing for the other caterpillars. Cuthbert has been found guilty of being delicious. Free Cuthbert. I can't imagine this is going to stop. So I'm just going to say, go ahead and follow Aldi Stores UK for all your lawsuit updates, because you know what? In the court of public opinion, you let me know. I feel like on the trademark legal that Cuthbert probably is infringing just by looking at them. It seems awfully close. They seem awfully similar. But in the court of public opinion, Aldi's social media team is winning my heart. I'm going to be perfectly honest, winning my heart.